Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to set a custom changing status to your Discord bot in discord.js. So before we get started, join my Discord below if you need any help. I am always here and ready to help. So let's get into it. So first of all, you need to come to your code and we need to go to our ready event. Now if you have followed my past tutorials, for our ready event we are using client.once, but now we need to use client.on. And you may have something different if you were using other tutorials or you just made it on your own. But basically, just to sum it up real quick, client.once only runs the code one time on start, and client.on runs it the whole time after it starts. So we need to make that on if it is .once. So first we are going to create an array of strings that will be our statuses. So I'm just going to call mine array, and it will be equal to an array obviously, and I'm just going to say test2 and hello. So you make your array of statuses that you want your bot to have here. Next we're going to make a randomizer that picks a random status from our array. So I'm going to do const randomizer equals math.floor. So our number is rounded and there isn't a bunch of digits at the end, and then math.random to get our random number, and that is a function, and math.random times, and then here you're going to do more parentheses, and then in here you're going to put array.length -1, then go out of the parentheses +1. And here you have created your randomizer. So now we need to set our interval so the activity actually changes. So to do that, we're going to use the setInterval function. And here we're going to create an arrow function inside of this function. And in here we are going to add all of our code to set the actual status. So to set the status, we do client.user.setActivity. And in here, the first argument we have is our activity, and then we have the type of activity. So we're going to do array and then brackets randomizer inside the brackets. So basically what that's going to do is set it to the array, and then that will randomize it with the randomizer in these brackets. Now we're going to do comma, then we're going to open up the curly brackets, and here we're going to set the type, so type, and then a string. And if you look here, we have all of the things we can choose from. So competing, custom status, listening, playing, streaming, watching. I will also have the docs below so you can look at all the options for setting your activity. But I'm just going to put watching. So now that we have this, we have to set the time that the interval will actually change. So how long it will be before it changes the status, basically. So to do that, we go down here and we put a comma right here at the end of this arrow function. And what we do is we add our time in milliseconds. So milliseconds is 1,000 times a second. So I'm just going to set mine to every 30 seconds, so that would be 30,000. So 30,000. And now it will change to one of these three statuses every 30 seconds. So now if we turn our bot on with a no dot, as you can see, the bot is on. Now we will have to wait the amount of time that the interval takes. Alright, so it has been 30 seconds, and as you can see, it says watching hello. So as we know, I set it to watching, and one of the statuses was hello. So a way to counter you having to wait 30 seconds for, or whatever your time is, for the status to appear, is setting the status before the set interval. So to do that, all you would have to do is client.user.setActivity, and basically the same exact thing. So we can just copy the same code, put it in here, and now it will automatically pick a status, and then it will start using the interval and changing statuses after 30 seconds. So you can see that if we start the bot up again. As you can see, it has a new status. So that is it for this tutorial. Creative criticism is appreciated. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos or anything else. Like if you like, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching, and I am out.